In today's hyper-competitive business landscape, enterprises need every advantage they can get. They need tools that can streamline operations, unlock insights from data, and empower their workforce. This is where Oracle eBusiness Suite, or EBS, comes in. EBS is a comprehensive suite of business applications that can transform how companies operate. It encompasses enterprise resource planning, supply chain management, customer relationship management, and human capital management. These modules, tightly integrated within the EBS ecosystem, offer a unified platform for managing every facet of a business. Imagine a world where your financial data seamlessly flows into your supply chain planning. Picture a reality where customer interactions inform product development strategies, all within a single unified system. This is the power of Oracle EBS. It breaks down silos between departments, fostering collaboration and data-driven decision-making. This essay will delve into the world of Oracle EBS, exploring its key modules and illuminating the transformative impact it can have on businesses of all sizes. We will journey through the setup process, understand the core functionalities of each module, and uncover the tangible benefits that EBS offers. Whether you're a seasoned executive or just starting your business journey, understanding Oracle EBS is crucial for navigating the complexities of the modern business world. Let's embark on this journey of discovery together. At its core, Oracle EBS is a collection of interconnected applications. Each application focuses on a specific business function. However, they are all designed to work together seamlessly. This integration is what sets EBS apart. It enables a level of data visibility and process automation that is simply not possible with standalone systems. This is the power of EBS's integrated architecture. Let's dive into the implementation process. Implementing Oracle EBS is a significant undertaking requiring careful planning and execution. It's not merely about installing software, it's about transforming business processes to leverage the full potential of EBS. The key stages include assessment, design, data migration, testing, and deployment. Successful EBS implementation requires collaboration, clear communication, and meticulous planning. Now let's explore the core modules of EBS in detail, starting with Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP, is the backbone of modern business management. It integrates all core business processes into a single unified system. Oracle's ERP solution provides tools to manage financials, human resources, procurement, and more. Imagine a manufacturing company using Oracle ERP. They can track procurement, manage production, monitor inventory, and analyze performance. This real-time visibility empowers informed decisions and streamlines operations. Oracle ERP offers improved efficiency, reduced costs, and enhanced collaboration. Real-time data empowers data-driven decisions. Oracle ERP is flexible and scalable for all business sizes. In today's interconnected world, managing the supply chain effectively is no longer a competitive advantage, it's a necessity. Oracle SCM, a core component of EBS, provides a comprehensive suite of tools to optimize every stage of the supply chain, from procurement to delivery. Imagine a global retailer using Oracle SCM. They can track inventory levels across multiple warehouses, optimize transportation routes, manage supplier relationships, and ensure timely delivery to customers, all within a single, integrated platform. This end-to-end visibility enables them to respond agilely to market demands, minimize disruptions, and deliver exceptional customer experiences. Oracle SCM empowers businesses to optimize inventory. Advanced forecasting and planning tools enable businesses to optimize inventory levels, reducing carrying costs while ensuring product availability. Streamline procurement. Automated procurement processes from requisition to payment streamline operations and reduce costs. Enhance visibility. Real-time visibility into the entire supply chain enables businesses to track shipments, monitor inventory levels, and proactively manage disruptions. Improve collaboration. Collaboration tools facilitate seamless communication and information sharing between suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and retailers. By optimizing supply chain operations, Oracle SCM not only improves efficiency and reduces costs but also enhances customer satisfaction by ensuring timely delivery and product availability. In today's customer-centric world, building strong and lasting customer relationships is paramount to success. Oracle CRM, another key module within EBS, equips businesses with the tools they need to manage every aspect of the customer lifecycle, from acquisition to retention and beyond. Imagine a telecommunications company using Oracle CRM. They can track customer interactions across multiple channels, personalize marketing campaigns, manage service requests, and gain insights into customer behavior, all within a single unified platform. This 360-degree view of the customer empowers them to deliver personalized experiences, build loyalty, and drive revenue growth. Oracle CRM offers a wide range of functionalities, including Salesforce automation. Automating sales processes from lead management to opportunity tracking and closing deals improves sales productivity and effectiveness. Marketing automation, targeted marketing campaigns, lead nurturing workflows, and campaign performance tracking enable businesses to reach the right customers with the right message at the right time. Customer service, multi-channel customer service capabilities including case management, knowledge base access, and self-service portals empower businesses to deliver exceptional customer experiences. By providing a comprehensive view of the customer and empowering businesses to deliver personalized experiences, Oracle CRM helps build lasting customer relationships, driving loyalty, advocacy, and ultimately, business growth. People are the most valuable asset of any organization. Oracle HCM provides tools to manage the entire employee lifecycle, from recruitment to retirement. Imagine a global company using Oracle HCM. They can streamline recruitment, manage data, administer payroll, and track performance. This empowers them to attract, retain, and develop top talent. Oracle HCM offers functionalities like talent acquisition, core HR, and workforce management. By effectively managing their workforce, Oracle HCM drives organizational success. Oracle E-Business Suite is more than just a collection of software applications. It's a strategic investment that can transform how businesses operate, unlocking significant value across the organization. The benefits of implementing Oracle EBS are numerous. Increased efficiency, automation of manual processes, streamlined workflows, and real-time data visibility lead to significant improvements in operational efficiency. Reduced costs, optimized inventory management, streamlined procurement processes, and improved resource utilization result in cost savings across the organization. Enhanced collaboration. By breaking down silos between departments and providing a single source of truth, EBS fosters collaboration and improves communication. Data-driven decisions. Real-time access to accurate data empowers businesses to make informed, data-driven decisions, leading to better outcomes. Improved customer experience. By streamlining operations and providing a 360-degree view of the customer, EBS enables businesses to deliver exceptional customer experiences. However, realizing the full potential of Oracle EBS requires more than just implementing the software. It demands a commitment to change management, ongoing training and support, and a willingness to embrace new ways of working. As we've seen, Oracle E-Business Suite is a powerful and comprehensive suite of business applications that can transform how organizations operate. From streamlining operations and reducing costs to enhancing collaboration and empowering data-driven decisions, EBS offers a wide range of benefits for businesses of all sizes and industries. However, the world of technology is constantly evolving. Oracle continues to invest heavily in research and development, enhancing EBS with new features, functionalities, and integrations. Cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and machine learning are just a few examples of the transformative technologies shaping the future of business applications. Exploring the Oracle EBS horizon means staying informed about these advancements and understanding how they can be leveraged to further optimize business processes, gain a competitive advantage, and drive future growth. It's about embracing innovation and continuously seeking ways to leverage technology to achieve business objectives. Whether you're considering implementing Oracle EBS for the first time or looking to maximize your existing investment, the journey of exploration and discovery never ends. By embracing a culture of continuous improvement and leveraging the power of Oracle EBS, businesses can chart a course towards a more efficient, profitable, and successful future.